Hello and thank you for visiting the Obtaining the Massachusetts Autism Endorsement component of the Massachusetts Educator Licensure Series, often referred to as MELS. This presentation provides general information intended for individuals interested in obtaining the Massachusetts Autism Endorsement. Throughout this presentation, there will be references to finding additional information such as guides, forms, and other websites. You can find links to these resources within the overview located directly beneath this video. Educators who obtain the autism endorsement have acquired competencies necessary to conduct assessments, develop appropriate individualized education programs, provide specially designed instruction and related services, and consult and collaborate with other educators, including general education teachers, in order to meet the unique and complex educational needs of students with autism in the least restrictive environment. An endorsement in this case is an optional form of recognition and does not require all individuals employed in the role to possess the endorsement for legal employment. However, school districts have authority to establish additional requirements beyond the licensure requirements for their employees and may choose to require candidates to hold the endorsement. Individuals who apply for the Massachusetts Autism Endorsement may earn the endorsement through multiple pathways, all of which require satisfying one of two prerequisite options. Possession of a teacher license and at least 3 credits related to special education satisfies the prerequisite requirement, or possession of a special needs teacher license also satisfies the prerequisite requirement. Massachusetts special needs licenses are on this slide. Possession of an older version of any one of these licenses, such as Teacher of Students with Special Needs or Teacher of Student with Intensive Special Needs, or possession of a license issued outside of Massachusetts that is comparable to any of the aforementioned special needs licenses, satisfies the prerequisite requirement. Applicants who hold a teacher license, non-special needs, may earn the endorsement through any one of 3 possible pathways, 2 of which are conveyed on this slide. The other accommodates individuals who are prepared for the endorsement outside of Massachusetts. We will cover options for applicants who hold a special needs teaching license later in this presentation. Individuals who possess a teacher license who have completed at least 3 credits related to special education may earn the autism endorsement through the successful completion of a department-approved course of study specific to providing services to students with autism. These folks may also earn the endorsement through achieving a passing score on a department-approved assessment and the completion of a field-based experience as noted on this slide. Like that of applicants who hold a teacher license, non-special needs, individuals who hold a special education license may also earn the autism endorsement through any one of 3 possible pathways, 2 of which are conveyed on this slide. The other accommodates individuals who are prepared for the endorsement outside of Massachusetts. We will cover the other option on the following slide. Just like that of applicants who hold a teacher license, non-special needs, individuals who hold a special education license may also earn the endorsement through the successful completion of a department-approved course of study specific to providing services to students with autism. They may also earn the endorsement through achieving a passing score on a department-approved assessment and the completion of a 150-hour field-based experience as noted on this slide. However, folks who hold a special needs license who also have completed at least 1 year of teaching experience working with students with autism may complete the 75-hour field-based experience as noted on this slide in lieu of the 150-hour field-based experience. Applicants prepared outside of Massachusetts through possession of a credential issued by another state that is comparable to the Massachusetts Autism Endorsement who satisfy the prerequisite requirement may also earn the autism endorsement. In addition, those prepared outside of Massachusetts through the completion of an autism or comparable preparation program that is either state approved under the NASDAQ Interstate Agreement or has been accredited by a national organization accepted by the Commissioner who satisfy the prerequisite requirement may earn the autism endorsement. Now that we have covered options to earn the autism endorsement, let's cover how requirements within these options are documented. To document 3 credits related to special education, please upload an official transcript that includes the registrar's signature. The credits must be completed through a college or university accredited by a recognized organization. If you currently possess a Massachusetts teacher or special needs teacher license, the Office of Educator Licensure will verify the prerequisite license requirement is met. If you have already obtained or will obtain a teacher license, special needs teacher license, or a valid credential that is comparable to the Massachusetts Autism Endorsement issued out of state, please submit a copy of the credential to the Office of Educator Licensure. Individuals not able to obtain a copy of the credential should upload a letter written on official letterhead from the issuing authority signed by an authorized signatory stating the field, grade level, type, and validity of the credential. Applicants who cannot obtain either of the aforementioned should upload a copy of the issuing authority's electronic file, for example, a public lookup, verifying the credential issued along with the official URL for that file. To document the completion of a field-based experience completed through a college or university, please submit an official transcript and a field-based experience report. To document the completion of a field-based experience completed through a school district, please submit a letter on official school letterhead signed by your superintendent, assistant superintendent, human resources director, principal, or equivalent position in a non-public educational setting that includes the required information as noted on this slide. Individuals who possess a special needs license who document the completion of the 75-hour field-based experience should also submit a letter on official letterhead signed by a superintendent, assistant superintendent, human resources director, principal, or equivalent position in a non-public educational setting stating that they have completed at least 1 year of teaching experience working with students with autism. Approved providers verify the completion of a department-approved course of study electronically. Currently, achieving a score of at least 220 on the Michigan Autism Spectrum Disorder Test satisfies the department-approved assessment for autism endorsement. If applicable, please submit a copy of your official test score report verifying a passing score of at least 220 on this test. Candidates qualifying for the autism endorsement through the completion of an educator preparation program accepted by the Commissioner should upload an official transcript and an endorsement specifying the field and grade level of the program completed. Individuals can document the endorsement through the verification of completion of an approved educator preparation program outside of Massachusetts form. In lieu of the form, endorsements may be included on an official transcript or in a letter written on official letterhead signed by the registrar, dean, or certification licensure officer. You can find additional information pertaining to a department-approved course of study, the Michigan Autism Spectrum Disorder Test, how to upload documents, and the verification of completion of an approved educator preparation program outside of Massachusetts form through the links contained within the overview located directly beneath this video. Please keep the following in mind. The autism endorsement is valid for 5 years, and individuals who hold a valid prerequisite license covered in Slide 3 may renew the endorsement for successive 5-year terms through the successful completion of 30 professional development points, PDPs, in the content area related to the subject matter knowledge of the autism endorsement. The 30 PDPs may be included in the total number of PDPs necessary to renew a professional license. Please note that educators that obtain an autism endorsement and are advancing a license to the professional type may be eligible to use coursework completed to earn the endorsement towards the professional license. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about educator licensure in Massachusetts. Thank you also for being an educator or aspiring to become one. Your efforts are commendable and greatly appreciated. We hope this component of MELS has been helpful. Please visit other components of the series for additional information about educator licensure. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to call the Licensure Call Center at 781-338-6600 or stop by and visit us in person at our walk-in service counter at 75 Pleasant Street, Malden, Mass.